Hey, Assalamualaikum. I'm HANIE AMIRAH binti ZARIMAN. My matric number is 13DDT19F1012. We are from group iOS, and in this video we would like to tell you and present about context diagram and DFD, which is known as data flow diagram of our system or application that we want to make. It's called Hello Laundry. Usually, dormitory students of Polytechnic STEM Zain Abidin or PSMZA are facing a lot of problems and dissatisfaction regarding the dormitory laundry system. The system is here to help them with solving the issue faced by them and to reduce the workload of students to go back and forth from their room to laundry room in short period of time. Our main focus here is to enhance and improvise the laundry system in PSMZA to ease the student to easily use the laundry. So Hello Laundry is the application that will allow you to make an appointment to use the laundry without needing to check either the machine is already in use or not. Hello Laundry is an application only for PSMZA dormitory students. User need to install the application to use the appointment system, and user will have to sign up and log in the account.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is HAJAR AISYAH binti ANUAR. Nama kad matrik F1248. What is contact diagram? Contact diagram is drawn in order to define and clarify the boundaries of the software system. It identifies the flow of information between the system and external entities. Contact diagram in our project, the dormitory student in PSMZA as a user in this diagram. The Hello Laundry provide a place to fill in data information such as email, password and room number. And user need to fill all of the appointment process. After user confirm and submit their own data, the appointment data will be updated to admin, who is a programmer and creator in the system. Admin will control all of the out-in system. So the user just use email and password to get in on Hello Laundry application and will get the notification. Contact diagram in our project, the dormitory student in PSMZA as a user in this diagram. The Hello Laundry provide a place to fill in data information such as email, password and room number. And user need to fill all of the appointment process. After user confirm and submit their own data, the appointment data will be updated to admin, who is a programmer and creator in the system. Admin will control all of the out-in system. So the user just use email and password to get in on Hello Laundry application and will get the notification.
Hello everyone, my name is NADIAH HANISAH binti SHA'ARI. My number matric is 13DDT4S5. Today I want to present about DFD. DFD is a data flow diagram, maps out the flow of information for any process or system. It uses defined symbol like rectangle, circle and arrow, plus short text label to show data inputs, output, storage point and routes between each destination. Data flow diagram of Hello Laundry appointment system have two entities. The first one is user, which is a dormitory student, and the second one is admin. For the first process, user will need to sign up or log in an account. When the account already been verified, user can edit or update their account to make it better. In the next process, user can already make an appointment. Once appointment was done, making by user, notification will appear 5 minutes before the appointment time that has been chosen. User also can review the appointment. Admin will get user record and appointment record. The conclusion is Context diagram and data flow diagram are two diagrams that we use to explain and display how our system function and communicate with user and admin. Basically, we just say that process are things that always happen in life and that hard work requires a process to succeed. So, we describe how the Hello Laundry works and function to dormitory students that download this application with their own smartphone. Based on what we learned, we get more knowledge and experience to be a good programmer and reach user satisfied for our project. Although the system was just released in PSM-ZA hostel, we still need to manage our system properly. In the near future, we can look forward to continue our project venture so that it can be used on every laundry in the hostel.